Friends, how are you? Today we will discuss verbs. Okay, this is our topic. First of all, the question is, what is a verb? After it, what is the definition of verbs and how many types of verbs? Okay, and what is the uses of verbs? So there are four types of question. First is, what is a verb? The definition of verb, and after it, how many types of verbs, and at last is, what is the uses of verbs? First of all, we discuss what is a verb. Okay, so you can see at the board: run, laugh, eat, play, sing, see, watch. These are all verbs. These are all verbs. Okay, there are many examples of verbs. Play, okay, weep, cry, listen, go, come, etc. Okay, these are all verbs. But what is the definition? How can we say that these are verbs? Okay. So first of all, we discuss the definition of verb. Okay. The words that tell us about an action done by the subject. Once again, the words that tell us about an action done by subject. For example, कैसे ये जो एक्शन है जो सब्जेक्ट ने किया है वो कैसे किया है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तारा won the match. तारा won the match. Okay, तारा is subject, won verb, and match object. Okay, Tara won the match. If we remove won, Tara the match. What is the meaning of the sentence? What is the meaning of sentence? Okay, it means this sentence doesn't mean without a verb. Without a verb, a sentence can't have a meaning and sense. Okay, if we give a complete sense and meaning, we use a verb. It is compulsory in a sentence. Okay, so verb is won. Okay, who won? Tara won. Okay, it means that action is won, done by Tara. Okay, so won is a verb. Okay, next example, children are laughing. Children are laughing. Okay, children are laughing. If we remove laughing, okay, what are doing children? Children are laughing. So laughing is a verb. Laughing is a verb that done by children. Okay, so children is a subject and laughing is a verb. Okay, if we remove children are, what children are? We can't say anything. Okay, now after it, there are different types of verbs. For example, number one, transitive verb. Number two, intransitive verbs. Okay, transitive verb and intransitive verbs. What is a transitive verb? The verb that lead to an object to complete its sense. It means क्या है कि इसका जो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है इसको अपना सेंस या मीनिंग कंप्लीट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, इसको ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत पड़ती है. ओके, बट जो इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स है उसमें उसको ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब or verb that need an object to complete its sense or meaning. Okay, it means it's needed an object. Now question, what is an object? Okay, so or now discuss intransitive verb or verb that does not need an object to complete its sense or meaning. Okay, after it, next question, what is an object? Okay, अब जब पहले कुछ एग्जांपल्स की बात करते हैं. एग्जांपल, कुणाल is eating chocolate. Okay, Kunal is eating chocolate. Okay, now Kunal is a noun. Okay, who is eating? Who is eating? It means Kunal. Okay, so Kunal is a subject. Okay, eating is a verb. Chocolate, what Kunal is eating? Chocolate. Okay, it means that is answer. So Kunal is subject. Okay, that is verb, and chocolate is object. Okay, if we remove this word chocolate, okay, then if you want to ask a question, we can't give an answer if we remove this word. For example, what Kunal is eating, we don't know. Okay, so that is object. Okay, next, they write many letters. They write many letters. They is subject. Okay, write verb, many letters, object. Okay, they write. What did they write? What did they write? What does they write? Okay, if we remove this word many letters, we can't and explain the answer. Okay, so after this is subject. Okay, write is a verb, that action done by they. Okay, there is a plural pronoun. Okay, so that is transitive verb. Okay, after it, my question is, what is an object? Okay, there are two types of object. First is direct object. Okay, and second is indirect object. First is direct object and second is indirect object. Okay. Now first is direct object. Question is, what is a direct object? What is a direct object? Okay. For example, I read a book. I subject, read verb, book object. What that is direct object or indirect object? How can we identify? Okay, so how can we identify? If we put a question from what I read, मैं क्या पढ़ता हूँ, what I read. Okay, what I read a book. It means when we ask a question with what word. Okay, if we get an answer, that is direct object. That is a direct object. Okay. So next, he cooks food in kitchen. He cooks food in kitchen. Okay, what does he cook? Okay, his subject, verb, okay, object. Okay, main object is food. What does he cook? Food. Okay, so answer is food. That is direct object. DO direct object. DO direct object. So that is direct object. After it, we discuss number 2. Number second, indirect object. Okay, indirect object. What is the indirect object? Okay. For example, she takes me a lesson. She teaches me a lesson. This sentence has two objects. Okay, subject, verb, object. Okay, so how can we identify this is direct object or indirect object, and this is the direct and indirect object? Okay, so you can ask a question, whom? If you put a question, whom, okay, and you get the answer, then the indirect object. Okay, she teaches me a lesson. Okay, she subject, verb, okay, object and object, but we don't know direct object or indirect object. Okay, so there are two objects. what does she teach? What does she teach? अगर हम ये कहें कि वो हमें क्या पढ़ाती है, a lesson. मैंने किसी क्वेश्चन वर्ड से, ओके, इफ वी पुट अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वर्ड, तो हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या बना उसमें कि वो हमें क्या पढ़ाती है, तो क्या पढ़ती है, लेसन पढ़ती है, कौन सा हो गया, डायरेक्ट, ओके। whom she teach, हम किसे पढ़ाती है, हमें पढ़ाती है, me, it means indirect, okay। so if we use whom, okay, then we can identify easily that is direct object or indirect object, okay। after it we discuss intransitive verb, okay। intransitive verb, a verb that doesn't need an object to complete its sense or meaning. For example, I play, okay, he laughs, they go. These are all intransitive verbs, okay। after it, next is incomplete verbs, okay। for example, he is a teacher, he is a teacher, okay। his subject is helping verb, okay। but the action there is no action, is only connected this object, we can say complement, okay। this is not an object, this is complement, okay। so this word connect the he or teacher, it is a linking verb, so it is a incomplete verb, not complete, okay। students,